Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of With Easy. In this week, we're going to discuss something that's relatively hot recently, and that's DeepSeek. And I want to compare how DeepSeek performs with ChatGPT that I have always been using to showcase that you can generate useful, plot using Python without much coding experiences, because ChatGPT should be able to basically bridge that gap for you. And in this episode, I want to see whether I pick up an example where we know that ChatGPT struggled previously with this example, and we want to see how DeepSeek performed here. So let's jump right in. In today's episode, we will try to regenerate plot here. So this is liquor chromatography data, and we have three separate overlay here. If you're interested in how ChatGPT performed in our previous episode, make sure you check out this video that's currently show up the lower right corner on your screen right now. But other than that, you can also find this plot in the DV4C GitHub repo, and the data used to generate it. This plot is actually in the same directory. The plot we will try to reproduce is this one, and just using this overlay case2 lcdata.csv file as the raw data. A more detailed discussion about the different plots, the idea about chromatography data plotting, you can find in the Jupyter Notebook file under the same directory. So without further ado, let's jump right in and to hopefully get a close to apple comparison. I'll try to reproduce the same prompt we used last time for ChatGPT. So let's jump right in. All right, let's copy this and give it a try. It seems that this plot is generated uh, kind of okay, right? We get three subsets of plots. In each, we have three samples. But I don't think DeepSeek really understand what we mean by center. Looks like it actually centered the UV value, or I guess a better way is like zero the UV value by the highest value we observed. And it's actually not by. Or it might be actually by sample two in this case. It's hard to tell in condition one. It's definitely by sample two in condition two and three. So let's try to fix that. All right, third time is a charm, as you see before. The first trial, we ran into the busy server issue about DeepSeek, which is not great for user experiences. But the third time, it did generate the plots, or it did generate the code for us. Hopefully, we'll generate the plot that we want. And let's give it a try to see what we got. Oh, hey, it works pretty well. I think in this case, this indeed is what we want to generate compared to, I think this is our plot. Yeah, we just need to fix the XX range, and it should be pretty similar. Um, and it actually didn't run into the issue ChatGPT struggled last time. I think last time, this presumably is because, um. Yeah, I think in here, or in this case, it actually didn't use mask to generate the relative time that got plotted on the x-axis here. Instead, it has a pretty smart way to use group by and apply function to generate the peak time of sample to each condition, and it generate the time aligned on the entire data frame. So I think this code actually should run in if we have, let's say, thousands of different samples and hundreds of conditions, this might be more efficient than the original code generated by ChatGPT. This is a short comparison video between, or I guess not exactly between DeepSeek and ChatGPT, but comparison of DeepSeek against some of the historical performances we saw or historical struggles we saw with ChatGPT in certain application cases. If you're interested in similar videos, make sure you comments or like or share this video with your friends. And I'll see you again in the next chapter of With It Easy.